This is Simon Burrito. Say hello to the world, Simon.
Hello, video chat. Okay.
So
Hello, Tanner. What do you want to ask me today?
So how is your burrito company going?
Well, I think my burritos are doing pretty good. I have big business. I have big burrito.
So tell us
good
a little
work.
bit about you,
Okay,
Simon.
then. Okay. What did you say? What did you say?
Tell us a little bit about you, Simon.
Well, I have been a farm boy for a while. Farm boy in Mexico. What'd you say? Well, when I was younger, in 6th grade, we had a time capsule.
Yes.
And I think this would be good enough to tell you. Okay, and it's read, hello, my name's Simon. I like women. I am an NBA All-Star, NFL Pro All-Star, and an NBA Superstar. NBA, yes. I like women. I make burritos. I made burritos since I was 2. Cheesy bean and beef. I like women. Women like me. What else would you like to ask me, Tanner?
Yes. Did you know you said NBA twice in that?
Yes, I know I did.
What is your theme song, Simon?
Well, I think